What is going on, people? YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, all those platforms, maybe even Snapchat. What's going on? It's Rafa here, and we're gonna hit 10,000. I know I said that yesterday that we're gonna hit 10,000, but we're still on that same uptrend. We're gonna hit 10,000. It's gonna happen, and this is basically what we're looking at right now with Bitcoin. It's Here, actually, let me pull up a depth chart for you guys. So this basically tells me the price wants to pull back a little bit. These are the buy orders right here. These are the sell orders. There are far few in between buy orders at this price. That means this is probably going to go on for some time. I'm not sure exactly how long, but it looks like it could go on for some time. This up and down, kind of meandering, not really going anywhere. But you guys got to keep in mind that $10,000 is a huge psychological mark for the market. So that means that when we hit that number, people are going to react. It's a very reaction heavy number because it's a big, nice, round number. People are thinking, oh, wow, that's as high as it'll ever get, and they're going to dump a lot. And it might be a little bit past 10K. It might be like 12K, 15, but there is going to be a big dip soon. A few $1,000 dip, I believe. Kind of like the one we had from 7,500 to 58. Yeah, and when that happens, it's good that you're around. It's good that you're watching you're on your trading account, so you can just sell high and then let that dip sink to the bottom and repurchase with a stronger position now in Bitcoin. And that's what I'm going to do. That's my game plan anyway. You can just go ahead and hold. Honestly, I think the safest thing right now to do is to hold. If you want to go ahead and take some profits, I wouldn't say that's greedy or too premature or anything. You should, if you feel the need to, go ahead and take out some profits. Right now is a great time because it's probably going to sink a little bit, guys. You got to remember, we're probably going to sink. Let's go to the 1 day right here. So look how parabolic this is, guys. Look how steep this is. This isn't gradual like it is here or like it is here. Look how tall these candles are. You can see here that it's already wanting to come to a cool down stage, a cool down period. Now keep in mind, we haven't really broke 10K yet. We've gotten really close. All right, we're really close right now. But see, look, we just dipped down to 98. Yeah, don't get me wrong, guys. We're really close. But until we hit 10K, we might go up and down 9,000 for a while. I'm just letting you guys know we might be doing that for that whole dance for a while, just so everything consolidates. But we will hit 10,000. Don't get me wrong. It's gonna happen, and we will surpass it. Whether the dip happens before or after, can't tell you for sure. But it's already starting. I believe this is already start of perhaps a relatively small dip, but it might go all the way to like 8,000. This dip right here, I can see it going to like 93, 89, somewhere in this candlestick, and potentially even down here. That could happen, guys. So if you guys start seeing this dip past 93 or $9,100, if you see it dipping past $9,100, maybe even sooner, I would probably sell and just get whatever you can at that height, and then repurchase if it even if it's just a few $100s less. Just repurchase, just to protect yourself, because when that stuff happens, if it does crash to the very bottom, you can at least feel good knowing like, oh well, I cashed out at 9,000 something, and then of course repurchase when it is at the very bottom. That way you have more purchasing power. Okay, so yeah, that's Bitcoin, guys, and let's go ahead and take a look at all the other altcoins. But hey, if you looked at the title of this video, it's probably going to be something like "Should you cash out?" or "Time to cash out?" Uh, and that's just because that big 10,000 psychological mark for the market. It's a really reaction heavy number. So, what people do when we hit that number could be really good, really bad. We're going to wait and see. Probably going to, in my opinion, go down. We're going to hit a dip, but we're going to wait and see, guys. Stay on those charts. Stay on your phone. If you have the app Crypto Market Cap, go ahead and download it. Just stay on it, guys, because you don't want to crash and sell at the bottom. You want to get as much profit as humanly possible. So you want to sell at the height of the peak and buy at the trough, right at the bottom of the dip. Okay, so Litecoin, $93.32. Excuse me. Woo! That's going to 100. It's going to 100. Just like Bitcoin's going to 10,000. So Litecoin and Bitcoin are going to hit similar benchmarks. Or I mean, not benchmarks, sorry. Similar marks. One is obviously 10 times the other, but yeah, it's still really nice to see, other altcoins going up because they are somewhat tied together. Like when Bitcoin goes up, you can probably expect the top 4 coins to go up along with it, just because of its overall large market presence. So when Bitcoin goes up, most altcoins go up. The top altcoins go up, even though they have an indirect. Don't get me wrong. I always tell people there's an indirect or inverse relationship between how Bitcoin goes up and Ethereum and Litecoin and all those top altcoins. When Bitcoin's going up, usually altcoins are going down, but it still looks like this, and they both, in enough time, as you can see in these graphs, they're all at the bottom of the day going up at a very solid rate. So they move together, is what I'm trying to say. But in that same day, they might be inverse. It sounds kind of counterintuitive, I know, but it's how it is. Believe me. Yeah, Ethereum $48, $482, and Bitcoin Cash back at the 16. It's gonna touch 17 again. We did have a crazy dip right here. I think it was at, let's see, let's do month. Yeah, we were back at 800s. Wow. So this is a big pattern I like to point out, guys. And I should have bought. I was telling myself that it was never going to go back as high as 1700. Whew, 23. Yeah, but I told myself it wasn't going to go back up to 17. I didn't think it was. This basically marked the potential of the coin when this happened. And then everyone's like, okay, but too much too soon. We can't, it's not going to be this great this fast. So people started dumping. And then people really started dumping. Man, so people dumped so much. Someone wise enough was like, wow, this is below 40%. This is, like a 40% drop or something. Around that, that's usually indicative of this is time to buy. Or I'm sorry, is it 40 or 60%? I forgot what the rule was, but when there's such a significant drop like that, and the most recent history of that coin has been to consistently go up, you can, in this market, in this current market right now, things could change. Don't get me wrong. Please don't watch this in like 2 years and say, wow, what are you talking about? This guy's totally BSing us. No. I'm talking about right now, November 2017, that when the recent history of a coin has been just like consistently going up, and there's been somewhere along the way like a 40-60% dip, just a drastic dip, right? That means that it will likely go up. In this current market, that means you should buy that coin. How much of it? Up to you, but you should. The indication is that you should probably buy. And I probably should have bought. I mean, I definitely should have bought. But I think I was playing some other stuff at that point. Oh, wow. Yeah, see? You can... Well, you would have doubled your money. Yep. Yeah, if you would have bought at the lowest point right here, you would have doubled your money. Yeah. So that's the stuff that happens every day. Now I just want to end this with Lisk. I told you guys to purchase Lisk a couple days ago. I want to see where it is at right now. Lisk. Lisk. So I told everyone to buy it 79 or 7.97, I think. Basically $8. 7.97. We can already see we have a 4% gain. Yeah. And it's looking like we're probably going to meet our goal at $10 to $12, which is the goal, guys. Expect a dump after 10 to 12 bucks. Get to 10 to 12 bucks for Lisk. Sell it. Let it dip and rebuy it sometime in the future. I don't think Lisk is a long-term hold coin. And what else is interesting here? 18%. What is that? Veritasium. I don't know. I don't mess with that. Let's look for a big loser real fast. It's the biggest loser today. Woo! IOTA! Man, you're killing it, IOTA. Oh my gosh. I told my friend yesterday I was going to buy IOTA. Wow. I should have stuck to my word. Oh, should have stuck to my word. Yep. So, whenever you guys have a plan to buy something, you see a reason to buy it, it lines up with your predictions, your requisites for patterns, patterns you learn through trading. Don't wimp out of that buy. Commit. Do it. Because now I'm kicking myself in the pants thinking, wow, I told him why it was going to go up and it did. So, FOMO. Fear of missing out. Alright, well, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go trade now. Looks like I got a lot of work to do, catch up. So, thank you guys for watching. In the future, I will be thinking about, wow, 85%. That's crazy. I will be thinking about doing live trading. So, broadcasting live all my trading sessions. The reason I'm not doing it right now is because the way I trade right now, it's really weird. So I won't be in front of my computer for 4 or 5 hours straight trading. I'll be on my computer, like trading for like 20 minutes, and then playing a video game, then trade for 40 minutes, and then so I'm all over the place with trading. I'm not like sitting down in front of the camera for that long of a time, but I'm thinking about it. So anyway, I talked your ear off. See you in the next one. Bye.